Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of recovering your Telegram account on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your desktop. Ensure that it's properly installed and running on your computer. Step 2. Click on Send Messages to begin the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter the phone number associated with your Telegram account. Make sure to provide the correct number. Step 4. Once you enter your phone number, Telegram will prompt you to enter a verification code sent to your number via SMS. If you don't receive the code, you can choose to receive it via a phone call instead. Step 5. After entering the verification code, you'll be asked to enter your account's password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option. Telegram will then send you a recovery code via email. Check your email and use the recovery code to reset your password. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password and regain access to your Telegram account. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your Telegram account on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.